Hello everyone. In this video I will show you what to do if your graphing calculator, specifically the TI-84 Plus or TI-83 Plus, does not have enough memory in order to install the SAT operating system on your graphing calculator. Sometimes when you purchase a TI-84 Plus, for example, you'll have a number of pre-installed applications. These applications will take up a lot of space on your calculator, and you won't necessarily be able to install the software. And even if you do, you will run out of memory if you keep them on your calculator. So to avoid that, what we're going to do is back up the calculator, delete those applications, install the SAT operating system. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is download and install TI Connect. Once you've done that, you'll want to open it up and then select TI Device Explorer, plug in your calculator and turn it on. You'll get this dialog box that says please select TI device. It should be recognized, and if it's not, then just hit refresh. You'll see that there I have the TI-84 Plus connected to my computer. And you can do this with Mac or PC. And when you have a dialog is finished here, you'll get a readout of all the variables on your calculator. So to first back up the calculator, we're going to click Actions, Back Up, and then you'll get this dialog. And I'll wait for it to recognize the calculator. There it is. So this is a very clean calculator with nothing on it. It's just been recently reset, so there's nothing on it. That's why the only thing that is selected is RAM, and the archive and apps categories are grayed out and not selected. On your calculator, though, you'll want to select at the very least apps, because that's what you're doing, is you're going to want to back up those apps that are already on your calculator. So click those and then select a location on your computer and then select OK. It'll then begin transferring files on the calculator to that location on your computer, and it'll put them all in one specific file, a backed up file. Okay, then once that's done, you should see a listing of maybe apps here, maybe under Flash or Archive, and it'll list the different applications. You can go ahead and then click on each of those individual applications and press the delete button, and that will allow you to delete those from your computer. It may give you a dialog box about an archive or locked variable. Just hit OK if it will allow you to do that. Otherwise, what I can recommend you do is the following. So you click second or press second and then the plus key so that you access the memory menu. There we go. Okay, then hit 2 or scroll down to memory management, and then you scroll down to apps and hit enter. As you see here, I have SATOS installed on this emulator, and it is archived. It's an application. It's in flash memory. What I'll do is click or press on your calculator the delete button. It'll say, yeah, are you sure? And then you just click yes, and it's gone. So then I just hit second and then mode to quit. It'll say defragmenting, and then you're done. So if I press apps, you can see SATOS is gone. And that's also how you can uninstall the software as well. So if you have the application installed already and you need to uninstall it, maybe if you have the free trial, that's how you can do that. So you can go right down through the list and do that for each individual application that is already on there. This finance application is always there. It doesn't seem to be the case that you can delete it, so just leave it. It won't cause any problems with running out of memory or anything like that, so it's fine to leave it. And then go ahead and then bring up TI Connect again, and then TI Device Explorer, and go ahead and reinstall the software. You can do that from here using TI Device Explorer, or you can go into Windows Explorer and right click on the file and select TI or send to TI device. And I'll show you how to do that right now. So if you open up the application folder, you right click, select send to TI device, and it should bring up your calculator. Recognize it, yep, there it is. And then just send to device. And it'll transfer the software here for you. I'm using Windows 8. This should work on